new story, and this is the first story from your book. This is for the 5th standard. The story name is The Golden Swan. Would you like to hear the stories? You know, if you ask me the same question, then answer is yes. Absolutely. I love to hear the stories. My grandma, she used to tell me the stories about king, about animals and fairy tales, about fairies, about strange things. You know which thing I liked from the story? That writer always they want to pass one hidden message through the story. So now this is your new and the first story, right? So just listen and find out that this writer which message they want to pass through the story. So this is the story about two friends. So this story took place in court of Krishna palace. So now what happened? Many years ago, there was no judge, there was no liars or no particular person who are going to solve the case. So that time it was the work of the king to solve the problems of people and to make the judgment on it. So as you know, one day what happened? One day King Krishna Devara's court assembled, means everyone gathered there. Ministers they took their place. Some ministers sit on the right side, some ministers sit on the left side, and king sat at the center. So daily routine, they started their daily routine. Two men entered in the courtroom. This time something happened strange. What happened? All the courtiers, mean the people who sit in the court, all the courtiers, they start to look at those two men with an awestruck look. Now what is awestruck? Means they impressed by something. There was something very special and they started to look at that thing. All the ministers who were sitting on the left side and the right side, they started to look at the thing and they was awestruck. Means they said, wow, this thing is so different. And what was that thing? Actually, these two friends, they were carrying a statue of a swan. But this is something different. This is not a normal statue. This is the golden statue. And this stuffed by many precious stone and diamonds. Stuff means they decorate that statue with a metal, with a precious stones, with a diamonds which is glitter in daylight also. So this was something different and very precious. Everyone, means even king also, start to look at that statue with an awful look. They said, wow, this is so special, this is very expensive and this is very precious. Then when these two men entered in the court, everyone they started to look at that. So everyone want to hear what happened with them. And when they came in front of King Krishna Deva. So King Krishna Deva said, okay, what do you want from me and what you are expecting from the court? So after that, you know that what will happen in the story? These two friends started to present their side. They started to tell about themselves. And one friend from this boat, so he said that my majesty. So my name is Ramu and look, the person who is standing beside me, his name is Shamu. So king said, Acha, so what is your problem? You tell me just what you want from me, what you want from this court. He said, actually in last month what happened, that unexpected rain just destroy his harvest. I am a rice farmer, but he is taking the fast growing vegetables in his farm. So that last month's unexpected rain destroyed everything and waterlogged his farm. You know, this farm filled with a full of water. Waterlogged means full of water. There is no space left in that farm to keep the water in that. So they said that water means that farm fully waterlogged with the water, and then this unexpected rain destroyed full harvest. Then Shamu continued the story. Shamu said, yes, my majesty. You know, after that my bad situation, when my friend Ramu, when he heard about my situation, that how I badly suffered from that situation, he just offered me a piece of land and he said, okay, this is my land, you can take a fast growing vegetables in that. Then Rama said, yes my majesty, I offered him a land. But you know what happened? He was working yesterday in the farm and he was cleaning the farm. Now what is cleaning? You know, we are son and we are daughters of farmer. We know that. To take a crop, before that farmers, they are preparing the land for it, right? So that we call tilling. When they are preparing that land for the next crop, so that work we call tilling, and we are saying that they are tilling the farm. So he said that, "My Majesty, when I offered him a land, after that yesterday he was tilling in the farm. But immediately that time he found one statue in that. When he was tilling now, suddenly he found one statue in that. So after that means absolutely he was working there. So he found it. He discovered it. Then Shamu continued. I know, my Majesty, that I found it. I discovered it. But this land, Ramu offered me. He offered me this land. So obviously, if the statue I found in this farm, in this piece of land, it's belonged to Ramu. Then Ramu replied, No, my Majesty. Listen, I offered him a piece of land. That is okay, that is fine, that is my land. But he found it, he discovered it. It means this belongs to him. So now everyone they started to look at them with an amused look. Means they said, wow, this is something funny. You know, every time who are coming in a court, they always fighting with each other. They want to show their ownership on a thing. They want to express their, the right on that thing. They are saying, "Arey, this thing is mine, this thing is mine." But this is something different. These two friends, they are not fighting to show ownership on that thing. Actually, they are telling in a court that, "Arey, this thing not belongs to me, this is belongs to him." And they want to give the ownership to each other about on that golden swan. So everyone, even King amused. King said, "Arey, wow, this is something funny. This is something very strange. First time this type of case come in my court. First time someone came in my court with this type of problem." This is something very interesting, right? These two friends came in a court to show each other's ownership on that thing. So the second part we learned today, the first part, and second part you will get in the next video. So today we learned these words. You can see here on the blackboard from this first part. The first word is courtiers. Now courtiers means what? A people who are part of the court. Court means place where the king was there and sitting there at the center, and ministers were sitting on the right and the left side. So that place we call court, and the members of that court we call courtiers. Now the second word which we learn, that is austek. Austek means what? When we see any beautiful thing, we impressed by that thing. So that we call austek. Then studded. What is meant by studded? When we decorate something with the precious things. So that we call studded. It means in the story, the statue of the swan decorated by the precious diamond and precious stone. Then harvest. What is meant by harvest? The amount of crop which we are taking in a particular place of land. So that we call harvest. Then the next word, waterlogged, means what? Full of water. When the farm full of water, so that we call waterlogged. Tilling. Tilling means to take a new crop in that farm in a piece of land. Before that we are preparing that land for the next crop. So that we call tilling. And the next one is amused. It means found something funny. When we heard that something is strange and something is very funny, so that we call amused. So with this new word we learn the first part of the